Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Magic of One Click. So today we are going to type 80-second program of HTML. So let's get started. We have to first open the notepad. So we'll open it and now we'll type the program. The new thing in this program is how to use autofocus attribute. We'll start with doctype HTML, HTML tag, body tag, h2 tag, and let me give little information about autofocus. The autofocus attribute is a boolean attribute. It specifies that an element should automatically get focus when the page loads. Autofocus attribute h2 tag now will end. Now form tag, first name, input type equal to text, name equals to first name, break tag, last name, input type equals to text, name equals to last name, and now we'll end br tag. Autofocus and now we'll end br tag. Now we'll end form tag, body tag, and HTML tag. Here also we have to type autofocus, and now we'll just save it as 82 and with the extension HTML and in all files. So now let us check the output. We'll click on HTML folder and 80-second program. So this is the basic output. If we click on first name here, it shows directly the name. We have to just click on it, and if we click on last name, it shows the surname also and the last name. So this is the basic output of how to use autofocus attribute, and don't forget to check the tags in description for a clear understanding.